Hello guys, my name is Diego de Mendizabal. I'm an FX technical director with over 15 years of experience in VFX, feature film animation, episodic and advertising. I've worked for companies such as Sony Pictures Imageworks, Digital Domain, DNEG, Framestore, among many others. I've been specializing myself in Houdini for the last 13 years or so. So yeah, in this course we're gonna show you guys how to create snow simulations like this one on Vellum. We're also gonna show you guys how to use the main simulation to drive secondary simulations in Pyro and Particles to create the secondary effects. And in the end, we're gonna import all of our assets into Solaris within Houdini. We're gonna shade them, add materials to them, set up some render parameters and some AOVs to have more control in comp, render them out, and then we're gonna use Houdini's own comps environment to comp everything together, trying to do everything in Houdini to keep it nice and tidy for you guys so you don't have to be jumping between packages. But yeah, the basic concepts and ideas for this workflow are gonna serve you well in a bunch of scenarios, not only snow. You'll be able to do some mod and stuff like this with this as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial and you get a bunch of tips and tricks that you can use for your snow simulations or many other things. So without further ado, I'll see you guys there. Bye.